Bullish Mobox cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $2.68 and $5.84 by 2030. Market examiners accept Mbox could reach $2.68 by 2025. Bearish Mobox market cost expectation for 2022 is 47 cents. Mobox presentation as digital forms of money became standard. Their applications have additionally moved past method for installment. One such application is the moderately new non-fungible token. NFTs are interesting advanced resources that only one individual can claim. Yet, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world? And how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this article, we'll go over the essentials of Mobox and let you know all that you really want to be familiar with the coin's anticipated cost so you can choose whether to purchase Mobox. Thus, continue to peruse for the total Mobox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mobox? The Mobox coin isn't exactly a customary coin on the crypto market essentially, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Thusly, the assessed cost expectation varies contrasted with the cost expectation for other run-of-the-mill digital currencies. The task that Mobox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mobox convention. The Mobox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that produces coins for the Mobox, a web-based gaming metaverse. Mobox games. Coming up next are a few games that you can buy gaming NFTs for utilizing Mobox, Chain Z Feel, Block Brawler, Token Expert, Mall and Safeguard, Block Brawler, and Token Expert. The full rundown of games can be tracked down here on the Authority Mobox site. What is a utility token? A utility token, at times known as an application coin or a client token, is an extraordinary sort of crypto token that permits token holders to utilize items and administration. Thusly, the Mobox token is the token inside the Mobox convention, permitting clients to get to administrations inside the Mobox metaverse. Utility tokens have different expected expectations and projections contrasted with commonplace digital forms of money. The justification for these distinctions is that utility tokens are frequently unregulated. They structure a miniature economy inside various blockchains and consequently have an alternate cost expectation, market cap, and future cost conjecture. What is a yield cultivating undertaking? Yield cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning cryptographic money and benefiting through revenue. Despite the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return several years' time given that the cash has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield cultivating project is a beneficial speculation relies to a great extent upon the sort of cryptographic money being exchanged as well as the cost conjecture. Mobox key investigation. At first sent off in April 2021, Mobox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. All in all, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mobox site. Mobox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources. In any case, dissimilar to most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain, Mobox is based on the Binance Shroud chain. The typical gauge cost, greatest cost estimate, and Mobox cost increment are in this manner generally connected to the Binance blockchain. This additionally settles on Mobox a harmless to the ecosystem digital money decision, making it carbon impartial. Mobox current cost. Mobox is as of now worth 59 cents USD. Mbox has moved 0.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,612,472. Mobox is as of now positioned 377 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $47,740,935 USD. Mobox value expectation 2022. Mobox, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Mbox cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 89 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 83 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Mbox is supposed to have a base worth of 71 cents. Mobox value forecast 2023. In 2023, Mobox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform $1.49. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Mbox's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.19 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.31. Mobox Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.09 and Mbox might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.91 and a low of $1.79 in 2024. Mobox Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Mobox effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.68, with a base cost of $2.38 and a typical cost of $2.50. Mobox Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.10 by 2026, with a base cost of $2.98 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Mbox has a greatest value worth of $3.28. Mobox Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $3.70. On the off chance that Mbox figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $3.88. Neglecting to accumulate the help Mbox needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $3.58. Mobox Value Expectation 2028. While Mbox is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $4.17 and a yearly cost close above $4.47 in 2028. Mobox Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Mobox will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $4.77 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.07, averaging out at $4.89. Mobox Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Mbox cost in 2030 is projected to be $5.84 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $5.60. And NFTs are as yet a moderately new innovation. Consequently, it is hard to know their general effect on the